Forget the truck. Forget the RV. The real flex on any campground? Pulling up to the dump station in a golf cart like you own the place. Today, we're making that happen.
This is the Open Roads Institute.
Welcome back to the Open Roads Institute, where every mile is a lesson, every campground is a classroom, and every journey is a chance to learn. Today we're going to be installing a hitch on the golf cart to help bring the waste tote to the dump station when you're on those water electric only sites. We're going to head to Home Depot and pick up some grade 8 bolts. I don't like the really bolts that came with this hitch, so we're going to take it from stock to solid and go get some stronger bolts before we get this project started. All right there, Carly. Oh, it's the magical place of Home Depot. Found this lawnmower hitch, 2-inch receiver. It's exactly 10.5 inches wide, which is exactly what this step is. So, just going to drill into here, put 2 bolts in on either side, and call it a day. Hey, if you're liking this content, drop us a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. You can come weekend with us. Get this bolt in. One. Flat, lock, and nut. I'll find my other bolt. Oh, where that went. You know, guys, I think I spend more time looking for my tools and the stuff for the project than I do actually working on the project. Am I the only one that feels that way? The biggest problem with stuff like this is just figuring out, finding tools. You know? I'm doing this stuff. That side looks done. Now we're going to go the back half. It's just going to be a little more challenging, but. Alright, last we got the shank here. You could probably just use a standard shank if you want, but keep it a little bit lighter. This is the one that came in with the system. And we got this 2-inch trailer hitch ball and this fancy looking cover. Leave it there for now. I got to torque it down. I'm going to torque it to 250 pounds. But my torque wrench is in the trailer right now, which is in storage. So there you go. And just like that, you've officially got the coolest rig at the dump station. Which, let's be honest, is not a sentence we'd ever thought we'd say. But, well, here we are. If this mod saves you some trips across the campground, hit that like button. And if you're into mods that actually make weekends life easier, subscribe and roll with us. Better weekends, not bigger receipts. See you on the next trip.
Institute.